Recipe swap, sharing culinary secrets. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fun and delicious phrase, recipe swap. This is a term that's not only about food but also about community and sharing. Let's dive in and discover what it means to engage in a recipe swap. Recipe swap refers to the activity of exchanging recipes between individuals. It's like a trade, but instead of goods, people share their favorite or treasured cooking recipes. This exchange often happens among friends, family members, or even within a community group. It's a way to share culinary knowledge and experiences, and often leads to discovering new and exciting dishes. A recipe swap is more than just sharing how to make a dish. It's about sharing culture, history, and personal stories. Recipes often come with stories about their origins or the occasions they are prepared for. This exchange can be a bonding experience, allowing people to connect over their love of food and cooking. Participating in a recipe swap is easy and fun. You can start by choosing a recipe you love and are excited to share. Then, find a friend or a group interested in swapping. You can exchange recipes in person, through email, or even in an online community. Don't forget to share the story behind your recipe and why it's special to you. Recipe swapping isn't just about getting new recipes. It's a fantastic way to learn about different cuisines, improve your cooking skills, and make new friends. It encourages trying new things and can be a gateway to exploring different cultures and traditions. And that's what a recipe swap is all about. It's a wonderful blend of culinary exploration, cultural exchange, and community building. We hope you'll try participating in a recipe swap and experience the joy and deliciousness it brings. Happy cooking and swapping, and we'll see you in our next video.